Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to one tap in Valorant. Basically, one tapping is pretty simple. It's just hitting the enemy right in the head. But guys, you just have to pick the correct weapon in order to one tap people. Because even if you hit headshots in with some guns, you will not be able to kill them. So let's go first to play and then let's go to the practice range and then go to shooting test to test each gun and the difference between each gun. So now as you can see, I'm loading inside the game and basically just choose whatever champion or agent that they give you. It doesn't really matter unless you're going to try, for example, the gun of chamber or ultimate of jet or any champion that has some damage. So I'm going to pick jet and click on play, for example, and basically I will go here to this place, and as you can see, the normal thing, which is, let's make it for example 5. So here we go. Now as you can see, the normal thing, if I hit headshot, I must kill him, but I only damaged him with 78. But if I did something like that, which is the right click, I will one shot him because we are so close and I'm using pistol, and the pistol has two kinds of bullets. The first one, which is the single one, and the second one, which are like multiple bullets. So they shoot three. So basically, instead of having 178, we will have three or triple 78, which are like you have to aim correctly to have them. So which are about 200 and so. So this is a headshot and this is a one tap if you are so close. Instead, for example, if you can't really hit that. Come on. Even if you hit the headshot, you'll not be able to actually hit the one tap. So a gun like that isn't really good for like a one tap. Now, which guns are good for one tap? So basically, the ones that are so good with one tap, Sheriff for like the sidearms, which is super good. As you can see, even if I send it here, it's super good. So even if I send it over there, and I try to hit a headshot, which is pretty hard for me. Okay, it is pretty much a one tap if it's only need like five more hits. So you can just kill him with your knife or anything else. Now, the third gun or the second gun which will one tap exactly with one tap, it is the the Vandal. So the Vandal, it doesn't matter where the enemy is. So here's a one tap, and if you did something like that, here is a one tap. Now let's go back and make it back here. And same thing goes for Phantom. But Phantom, if the enemy was far away from you, you can't really one tap him. So one bullet equals to 124. If the enemy got any shield, you will not be able to kill him. So let's go back in here, and now I will show you the Guardian. The Guardian, it doesn't really matter how far the enemy is, as long as you hit your headshot, it will actually one tap him. Even if like the enemy was like 2k meters far from you, you will be able to kill him with one tap. And the same thing goes for Marshall, and the same thing of course goes for Operator, and these two you'll have to hit multiple headshots with every single gun of these. So yeah guys, I hope you learned something from this video. Thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next tutorial.